Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin HRM 200. First, let's prepare your device. Make sure the heart rate monitor has a fresh battery, typically a CR2032 coin cell, to ensure reliable operation. Next, moisten the two electrode pads on the back of the strap with water or saliva. This is crucial for establishing a strong electrical connection with your skin. Finally, position the strap snugly around your chest, directly on your skin, just below your pectoral muscles. Now, let's pair your HRM 200 with your Garmin watch or cycling computer. Navigate to the Sensors and Accessories menu on your device. From there, select Add New or search for sensor. Your Garmin device will begin scanning for available heart rate monitors. Once your HRM 200 appears in the list, select it to establish the connection. You'll typically see a confirmation message indicating successful pairing, and your heart rate data will start displaying. Your Garmin HRM 200 isn't limited to Garmin devices. It also supports ANT Plus and Bluetooth Smart for broader compatibility. To connect with a third-party fitness app or device, ensure Bluetooth or ANT Plus is enabled on that platform. Then, within the app settings, look for an option to add sensor or pair device. Select your HRM 200 when it appears. This allows you to track your heart rate with popular applications like Zwift, Peloton, or other fitness trackers. If you encounter issues, here are some troubleshooting tips. First, if your heart rate data is inconsistent or absent, try replacing the battery. Also, ensure there are no other strong ANT Plus or Bluetooth signals nearby that might cause interference. After each workout, rinse the strap with plain water to remove sweat and salt, which can degrade the electrodes over time. Finally, store your HRM 200 strap unbuckled and flat to prevent stretching and prolong its overall lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.